Hello everyone, my name is Aniruddha Sutha. In this demo, we will discuss about version control system, Git, BitBucket and SourceTree. So let's start our demo. So first, version control system tracks changes in our source code over time. There are some examples of version control systems like Git, SVN and ClearCase. Git is a distributed version control system that allows developers to collaborate effectively. When multiple team members works on code, it needs to be managed properly. So VCS is required. Developers should not override each other's code. That is why version control is needed. And parallel development is also essential in uh, development. So version control helps developers to develop the code parallelly, and every changes made by the developer should be traced somewhere. So version control system helps developers to trace that changes, and if any developer accidentally deletes something, then these accidental deletes can be revoked using version control system. It means you can revert back to previous work and discard the latest. That is why the version control system is required. Also, there in project there is some branching system. Basically, branch means the copy of code. And there are various types of branches in like, and multiple branches allow independent development. There are some branches which are main branch, like main branch is also called as a master branch, then the integration branch, then feature branch, then release branch, then bug fix branch and hotfix branch. The integration branch is a pre-production branch where all features are tested together. It means the from main or master branch we cut the integration branch, and from integration branch we cut the feature branch. The feature branch is where the developers working for specific features. Bug fix branch is used to report or issues in production or in testing. Hotfix branch is nothing but the immediate fixes for critical production issues. So when during the sprint, whenever a developer is starting to work on new feature, developer needs to cut a new feature branch from integration branch, and and in this feature branch we have to code our entire application. It means in feature branch developers write their entire code. So to use this version control system, to work on this version control system, we use Git, BitBucket and SourceTree. So BitBucket is nothing but the cloud platform to host Git repositories. It offers features like pull request, branch management, and team collaboration. And Source is the graphical user interface tool for Git operations, simplifying the workflows, eliminates the need for command line usage for most of the Git tasks. So SourceTree is easy to use for your project tracking. Now let's see the practical approach. Here you can see this is the BitBucket website. Just go to this website and create account on BitBucket. You will see after creating the account you will see this interface. So here you can see some like some features like pull request, repositories, project. So and here is one branch. Here you can see the main integration feature branch. So main or master branch contains the production ready code, and in the integration branch is where the all developers feature code is merged. It means the feature branch code is merged in the integration branch after the testing completed. Then feature branch, the in feature branch, every developer writes their code, and these individual branches used for the developing specific feature. And another one is like a bug fix branch. These are the temporary branches created to fix bugs found in QA production. We will see about the bug fix branch later. So let's see the practical demonstration how to create repositories using BitBucket, and how to use SourceTree for tracking the project. So let's start. So here you can see the create button. Just go and click on create. Then we have to create one repository here. So just click on repository. Here repository is nothing but which contains the project files and .git folder for tracking the history of our project. So select November 24 internship, then the repository name. Write any repository name which you want. So here we will demonstrate using this first microservice app. So I am writing this. The default branching is main branch. Create repository, then click on create repository. Here our repository is created, and you can see this in this main branch the .git ignore folder and .readme file is present. Now we have to cut the integration branch from main branch. So here on the left side you can see branches section, so just click on branches, and here on top right you can see create branch. Just click on create branch. Here type is our so now we cut the integration branch from main branch, so type is other from main branch and branch name is integration branch. On create. Our integration branch is created here. You can see integration branch here, branches you can see the active branches or all branches here, main branch, and this integration branch we have created just. Now create another branch. So to create, now we are going to create the feature branch from the integration branch. So to create feature branch, the type is feature branch, and we are cutting the feature branch from integration branch. So select here integration branch, and feature branches I'm giving here the name of feature branches demo setup. Just create. So here we have created two branches. We can see here all branches, feature branch and integration branch. Now just click on feature branch. Now to clone the repository, just click on this. Here you can see the checkout in SourceTree. To clone this repository in SourceTree, you can make the clone using BitBucket also, and directly you can go to the SourceTree and here add new tab, and here you can see the clone portion. Just clicking on it, you can also make the clone of this repository. We will see using BitBucket here. So just check out in SourceTree, open SourceTree. So here you can change the destination path. I'm changing this destination path here. So F, then internship, November, select folder. Here I'm making the demo setup, then click on clone. So here our feature branch is creating, and here you can see our repository is created, demo setup. Here this is now empty, so just go to file manager. In this first microservice, ignore this dot setting and target file. Control A dot set and dot target. Copy this and paste these files in the repository we have created now. In F, uh, internship, then November 24, first microservice app, first microservice. Here just paste it, replace the file destination. So here you can see all these files are pasted here. Now just go to the source tree, and here you can see all these folders are created here. You can see all the classes like first microservice, and here you can see the code inside that class by just clicking on it. So this is our code in catalog controller, first microservice application. So now let's move ahead and see how to commit the code and push the changes. So to commit the changes in source tree, just click on this stage all. Here our files are moved from unstaged files to the stage file, and here you can see the date and time of initial commit. Like, so now we have to commit the changes. Click on commit, and here write some like a descriptive commit, which helps other developers to see what are the changes you have committed in the code. And so I'm just writing like added microservice app for giving demo. Here you can see the commit button. Just go and click on commit. Here our changes are committed to the feature branch. Now in BitBucket you can see in feature branch mm, you can see the commits in feature branch. So here the commits are loading. We have not pushed our code yet. So here you can see the 0 commits. So now go to the source tree and here you will see the push button. So just click on the push and push all the changes from local branch to remote branch. Here we have pushed our changes. Now go to the BitBucket, refresh it. So we have pushed our code from local to the repository which we have created, and you can see here the 10 files and this commit number. This is one commit code and message which we have added in the source tree, like added first microservice app for giving demo, and here is the code of every file. And this red and green color represents that this green means we have added something new to our code, and this red color represents that we have deleted something from the present code. Now after pushing the code to the feature branch, uh, when we test everything and when developer testing is completed, then developer needs to merge the code into the integration branch. This code is still in our feature branch. So to merge this code in a integration branch, the developers raise a pull request or merge request from feature branch to integration branch, and here the seniors would review the code, and if everything is okay, then the code is merged to the integration branch, and then the in integration branch the code from developers is available. This integration branch code would be deployed in AWS QA environment. Tester does this testing in AWS QA environment, and suppose tester test the code and there might be the tester finds the bugs, then how to handle these bugs. So there are two approaches of handle these bugs. One is like in feature branch, developer changes the code, then test this locally, puts the code in feature branch and deployed in dev AWS environment. then raises pull request to merge to integration, and after approval code is in integration branch and then deployed on QA environment, and tester test it. If all good, then feature is ready. And the another way of fix the bug is to cut a bug fix branch from integration branch, and then in feature branch developer changes the code, puts code in feature branch, then deployed it in dev environment, then raises pull request and to merge to integration branch, and after approval code is in integration, and the process is remaining as same as in first approach. So now we are going to see how to raise the pull request or merge request. So here you can see the pull request button, so just click on this pull request. Here sorry, mm, here in projects, pull request is this is our first microservice app. Here is the pull request, and here you can see the create pull request button. Just click on create pull request. So we are raising the pull request to merge our code from feature branch to the integration branch. So here we have to change this integration branch. Then this is our title. Here you can add the reviewers, means like your team lead name or the any other senior's name who will review your code and approve your request. So I'm just raising the request. So to raise this request, just create pull request. So here let's see in pull request, in this. So here you can see in work section one pull request is present. So just click on this pull request, and your seniors will merge this after the code review. Once like here you can see what are the commits, means what the all changes we have done in this source code or in this project, then the all the files which we changed, and here seniors will review all this code. Once the senior feels that this code is production ready, or there is no error in this code, then he just click on this merge button and merge this feature branch to the integration branch. And this is the merge pull request. Here you can see the source is feature branch and destination is integration branch. Means we are merging the feature branch to this like integration branch, and this is the merge commit. And this is some commit message. Now I'm just clicking on this merge. Okay, and here you can see our status is changed from pull request to merge. So our code is merged to the integration branch now. So you can see in this integration branch, here also you can see commit and merge to the merge in integration, merge in feature demo set add pull request 1, and this is merged to the integration branch. So in this way we will create the repositories using BitBucket and commit the changes and then push request and uh, do pull request and merge our code from feature branch to integration branch. And so our demo is over here. Thank you.